Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 1. Find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise. B is 15 kg to 210 gram. C is 9 meter to 27 centimeter and D is 30 days to 36 hours. To find ratios, we know that to find ratios, to find to find ratios, find ratios To find ratios, both quantities should be in the same unit. Both the quantities, both the quantities, both the quantities, both the quantities, both the quantities should be should be in the same unit. Should be in the same unit. Both the quantities should be in the same unit. Right? Number A is rupees 5 to 50 paise to 50 paise. 50 paise. You know that rupee 1 rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise. Therefore, we have to change these rupees into paise. That is 5 into 100 paise. That is equal to 5 into 100. 5 into 100 paise. Paise. Paise to 50 paise. To 50 paise. To 50 paise. Right? Therefore, we can write is equal to 500 paise. 500 paise. Paise to 50 paise. To 50 paise. 50 paise. Right? Therefore, we can write it here as 500. Thus, the ratio is thus the ratio is the ratio thus the ratio thus the ratio is 500 by 50. This 0 will cut. 5 1 is 5 and 5 10 is 50. That is 10 by 1. 10 by 1. Right? So we can write that is 10 is to 1. That is the ratio is 10 is to 1. 10 is to 1. Right? Now question number B is question number B. Question number B is 15 kg. 15 kg to 210 gram. 210 gram. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram is equal to 1000 gram, right? We change both the quantities in the same unit, right? Therefore, we can write it here as change into kg into gram. That is 15 into 1000, 15 into 1000 gram to 210 gram to 210 gram, right? Therefore, the ratio is that is equal to here, that is equal to 15,000 to 15,000 gram to 210 gram, 210 gram, right? Therefore, the ratio is therefore the ratio is 15,000 by 210 by 210, right? This 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0, right? If you change into lowest term, right, which change into lowest term, you divide it by 3, 3 7 21, right, and this is 3 5 15 0 0. Therefore, the ratio we are getting is 500 is to 7, 500 is to 7, 500 is to 7, right? Now, we'll solve question number C. Question number C is here, you see, question number C is now question number C. We'll solve question number C. Let us rub this one. Now, question number C, where we find is 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Let's solve question number C. Here you see, question number C is 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Here you see, question number C is 9 meter to 27 centimeter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right? Therefore, change this meter into centimeter. That is 9 into 100 centimeter to 27 centimeter to 27 centimeter. Or this is equal to 900 centimeter to 27 centimeter to 27 centimeter. Thus the ratio is the ratio is 900 centimeter 900 by 27. If you change into lowest term, we are getting by 9 3 j 27 and 9 j 9 0 0. Therefore, we are getting the ratio as 100 is to 3. 100 is to 3. Ratio as 100 is to 3. Now question number D. Question number D is 30 days. Here you see 30 days. 30 days to 36 hours. to 36 hours. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. One day is equal to 24 hours, right? Therefore, we change the days into hours. Therefore, 30 into 24, 30 into 24, 30 into 24 hours, hours, hours to 36 hours to 36 hours. Thus, if we multiply 24 with 3, 24 with 3, that is 3 4 is 12, that is 1, it is 2, 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. That means 720 hours, 720 hours, hours to 36 hours, to 36 hours. Therefore, thus the ratio is, thus the ratio is, thus the ratio, thus the ratio is 720 by 36. If we change into lowest term, we are getting, dividing by 2, we are getting 2, 2, 8 is 36, and by 2, 2, 3 is 6, right? 2, 3, 2, 3 is 6, 12, 2, 6 is 12, 0, right? There is 18, 1 is 18, 18, 2 is 36, that is 20 is to 1. Therefore, we can say the ratio is equal to 20 is to 1, is equal to 20 is to 1, 20 is to 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.